Hi everybody, I'm just going out for a ride today. My initial intention when I started this channel was to just do some local roads, some scenic local roads, so everyone can see how beautiful it is around this area, and halfway through the ride put the drone up, get some more footage. So far I haven't done that with the channel. I've just been enjoying myself and trying some things, but today I'm going to go out with my dad, get some pretty footage and make something out of it at the end. But it's time to ride, let's go. We're at my dad's house now. We're just about to head off from here. He's on the beautiful Road King. How's the bike going, Dad?
Beautifully, much better now that those new discs are on there.
It's a fantastic looking bike.
Beautiful day today, son.
Are you ready to go for a nice bit of exploring?
Oh yeah, let's go and do some mountain climbing.
Excellent. Right, we're here at Penderyn Distillery in Penderyn, not far from Aberdare in South Wales. This is where they make some beautiful Welsh whiskey. But we're going to ride the A4059. It's a beautiful little run, not too long, but just to give you guys an experience of what it's like riding around South Wales. I got my dad with me still on the beautiful Road King, my next bike.
I gotta pop my clogs in.
So I just gonna wait for a little lull in the traffic now and let's shoot off. We're just on top of the mountain now, up on top of the Brecon beacons, looking over everything. It's beautiful. Just pulled into a lay-by. We're going to put the drone up to have a look around. It's only my third time flying the drone, so let's hope it all goes well. And before it goes up, let's have a little look around. Beautiful, isn't it? Yep. Well, we got the drone footage done. It was only my third flight, so I don't think it's anything spectacular, but it gives a nice little view of the beautiful spot we're in by here. Time to move on now to the the end of the journey. Still a beautiful day. My dad hasn't left in frustration yet. Ready to go. So test her off. So we just stopped for a cup of tea. Oh, there's lots of bikes going by. It's in a lovely spot by here, near Brecon, our favourite little burger van, Woodland Catering. We're not going to bother filming the Regos today. We had a nice little few hours out now doing what we've done. Did you enjoy yourself, Dad?
Yeah, oh, it was great.
Yeah.
Beautiful day, good company, and the bike's running beautifully. Enjoyed my ride on yours.
Let's have a look at the. Yeah, we did a bike swap. My dad's had a go at the Softail, and I get to have a go at the Road King, which is always a pleasure. They're looking lovely over there. I'm not sure. I'll probably have to zoom in on this after when I'm editing, but what a lovely day.
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
And now we're going to ride back and chill out. If you've watched, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.